Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0952O in color code 003. The color of the frame is silver, and these glasses are a rectangular shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in gold. Its temples are silver and the temple tips are Havana. And you'll also find the Gucci logo in gold. And the GG Gucci emblem with a GG pattern. This is the inside of the frame. And the dimensions of its nose bridge are 17. And the lens is 57. And this is the other temple. You'll also find the Gucci logo. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and it has the Gucci logo in gold on the inside of the case, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci clean cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.